I have diagram for an alternator mechanism, and these parts forms the freewheel. Freewheel spins only in one direction, and basically it is used for starting the motor, for coupling the starter output to the main shaft. It is held together by 6 bolts, and these bolts were Loctite. It's really good with some high temperature and high strength stuff. It was quite difficult to remove it, and now I'm just screwing in the bolts just to hold it in place, and I'm attaching this mechanism to the main the main crankshaft. Well, only one crankshaft. I'm gluing this washer with some regular Loctite. Manual calls for this high strength green stuff, but I did not use it. I don't know, I just take my chance. I'm tightening it with this impact wrench. This impact wrench is rated to 160 or 180 Newton meters, I can't remember. And this screw, this nut must be tightened to like 140 or 160. So I'm just giving the full power for a couple of seconds, and later on I'm gluing in these bolts to hold the freewheel. Now stator or these windings are being tightened to the cover. Also some Loctite, and this one is really, I think, the most important sensor in the whole engine. It's a crankshaft position sensor, and this one causes problems if you have some metal debris stuck here. So I'm cleaning it a bit and tightening it to its place. Really simple system, only one like magnetic switch, and everything goes together. I need some bushing and washer here. Basically I just follow manual. All parts are listed here, and there are only a few of them. Everything goes together easily. Only we have a big magnet here, so I must be careful somewhat not to damage the gasket. Okay, I lost some bolts from the engine. More like these bolts were rusted too much, so I used some different bolts, but later on I think I will replace them. And torquing to 10 Newton meters, and I made a mistake here. I scratched my paint a little bit with this wrench. Stupid me. Okay, everything was torqued to 10 Newton meters, and I have this cover for checking the timing, but I don't need it anymore.